Hi everybody and welcome to SJ Previews Cars. We've got a BMW 440i here. It's on a 2018 plate, covered just over 64,000 miles. Good little spec on it. It's got upgraded two-tone alloy wheels, diamond cut with gloss black inserts. Trying to look then. Blue brake calipers front and rear. You've got side skirts. Black decal just there and on the side, rear tinted glass, front sensors, rear parking camera. Now it does have a factory fitted original M Performance exhaust, pretty rare on these and very, very desirable. Probably one of the best colours I think that suits a 4 Series is the dark metallic grey. You've got the cargo net, got Pro Nav, Digi Dash, drives faultless, really, really nice car. As far as we're aware, no modifications other than that rear exhaust, but that enhances the desirability and the saleability. Got electric seats, passenger and for driver. All the service history will be uploaded on the advert. There is some on the iDrive, and in 2024 it also had spark plugs replaced. Those of you that know, that's good maintenance to do on one of these. It's not as straightforward as any normal car. Now let's pop our way into the driver's side. 64,447 miles, 2 memory buttons for the driver. You've got Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats, Pro Nav. Driver's seat is in pretty good condition. You normally get quite a lot of wear on the bolster and in some cases even rips. Rear seats, as you can imagine, kind of look like they've not been sat in. I'm just going to start it up so you can actually, in fact you can see the Digi Dash now, but I'm going to start it up so that you can see. See, that's all Digi Dash. Got your different drive modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, Eco. That will also change the drivability and the exhaust note, and obviously also your dials, as you can see. Just going to give her a little rev. These are on a limiter, so it'll actually only rev to 3,000. There we go, it's warmed up now. That's the M Performance exhaust there kicking in, which sounds wonderful. So there we have the video of the 440i. If anybody's interested, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01475 271 838. My name's Spencer. We're FCA registered, so we can offer finance on this car, and we also welcome part exchange.